Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying hardware and permissions. First, make sure the camera is physically connected and showing an LED. That proves power and basic function. Then close competing apps so Meet can access the device. Other programs often lock the camera. Next, open your browser's site settings and explicitly allow camera access for Meet. Google.com, choose the correct camera from the list. Doing these steps removes common blocks and prepares the system for deeper fixes. Once done with permissions, diagnose whether the problem is browser or system level. Update the webcam driver via Device Manager or run the manufacturer's utility to refresh firmware. This fixes compatibility. Then open the System Camera app to confirm the OS's video. If it works there, the browser is the culprit. So clear cache, disable extensions that touch media, or use an incognito window. These actions narrow the fault and usually finish by restarting the browser, and if needed, the computer reboots clear drivers and free the camera. Enter Google Meet, open settings, and explicitly select the camera while watching the video preview so you see live feedback. If the camera stays dark, switch browsers to confirm a browser-specific bug, or plug in a USB webcam to rule out hardware failure. One key troubleshooting tip. If updates were installed recently, roll back the camera driver or system update. That often resolves sudden failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.